Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video we learn about how to solve the given example. Prove that quadrilateral formed by the intersection of angle bisector of all angles of parallelogram is a rectangle. तो given क्या है? ABCD is a parallelogram. Then सभी एंगल्स को पैरेललोग्राम के हमने क्या निकाली है? एंगल बाइसेक्टर. तो क्या गिवन है? रेस AS BQ CQ एंड DS बाइसेक्ट एंगल A, एंगल B, एंगल C एंड एंगल D रिस्पेक्टिवली. तो एंगल बाइसेक्टर करता क्या है कि एक एंगल को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. तो क्या होता है, अगर ये यहाँ पे AS जो एंगल बाइसेक्टर है वो क्या कर रहा है? डिवाइड कर रहा है एंगल A को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में. ओके, सिमिलरली सो नाउ व्हाट यू वांट टू प्रूव? टू प्रूव दैट PQRS इज अ रेक्टेंगल. जो फॉर्म हुई है PQRS फिगर बाय इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर, तो हमें इस फिगर को हमें क्या शो करना है? ये रेक्टेंगल है. तो रेक्टेंगल क्या होता है? रेक्टेंगल के सभी एंगल 90 डिग्री के होते हैं, तो हमें 90 डिग्री के दिखाने हैं. ओके, फॉर दैट we can do some steps and use the given. Now we write the proof. When we are writing the proof, we have to use the given. So first we can write angle BAS is equal to angle DAS is equal to x degree, and says equation number 1 ray AS bisect angle A. क्यों? क्योंकि रे AS बाइसेक्ट कर रही है एंगल A को. तो ये एंगल डिवाइड हुआ टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में, तो उसे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? x से डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. तो एक भी क्या हो गया? x डिग्री और ए भी क्या हो गया? x डिग्री. तो सिमिलरली फॉर अदर एंगल्स, नाउ फॉर एंगल B we can write angle ABQ is equal to angle CBQ is equal to y degree, equation number 2, because ray BQ bisect angle B. Now third, for angle C we can write angle BCQ is equal to angle DCQ is equal to u degree, and that is equation number 3, ray CQ bisect angle C. Fourth, for angle D, here we can write angle ADS is equal to angle CDS is equal to angle that is v degree, and which is equation 4, ray DS bisect angle D. तो हमने गिवन लिख दिया है, गिवन का यूज करके, और इसे हमें नोटेट कर दिया. ABCD is a parallelogram which is given. Now as we know, the adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now what is angle A here? Sum of two angles, angle BAS plus angle DS. So we can write by angle as angle BAS plus angle DS plus angle ABQ plus angle CBQ is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we replace angle A as angle BAS plus angle DS by angle addition property. Now as we know, we define the angle BAS, angle DS as x degree. So put the value there, x degree plus x degree, and here y degree plus y degree, which is equal to 180. Now it is from 1 and 2 already defined. So now look at x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y, which is equal to 180 degree. Now we can divide both sides by 2 and we get x plus y is equal to 90 degree, and gives the equation number 5. Now in we have to consider triangle to show that where is x plus y in your figure. Look at here x and y. If you take the triangle ARB, so easily prove that the angle R is 90 degree by angle sum property of triangle, because you know x plus y is 90 degree. So before that we also want to prove this angle of 90 degree. So for this we have to prove x degree plus v degree is equal to 90 degree, because when you take this triangle, small triangle, then angle ASD or DSA become 90 degree, and vertically opposite angle of this PQRS is 90 degree then. So now first we prove x plus v is equal to 90 degree and gives equation number 6. Look at in triangle ABCD is parallelogram. So angle A plus angle D. So angle A और D को रिप्लेस करेंगे हम, क्योंकि वो बाइसेक्ट हुआ तो उसे इसे लिखा जा सकता है एंगल बी एस प्लस एंगल डी एस प्लस एंगल ए डी एस प्लस सी डी एस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Angle addition property, then replace it by variable x degree plus v degree plus v degree. After solving it, you get x plus v is equal to 90 degree. Gives equation number 6. Now consider the triangle AR. In triangle ARB, angle RAB plus angle RBA plus angle ARB is equal to 180 degree. Because we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now, as we know, what is RAB, what is RBA? Look at RAB. That means SAB. We already know, and that is x degree, and it is y degree. Replace it. X degree plus y degree plus angle SRQ is equal to 180 degree, because ASR and BQ are collinear point. Now x plus y value is defined in equation 5v, that is 90 degree, plus SRQ is equal to 180 degree. After solving it, you get the angle SRQ, which is equal to 90 degree. Gives equation number 7. So now we have proved that this angle is 90 degree. Now remaining is we have to prove that the angle P is 90 degree. If you proceed the similar steps, so you get similarly, we can prove that angle SPQ is equal to 90 degree. Now we want to prove this angle of 90 degree. Then similarly we can say that angle Q is also 90 degree. So proceed for that. Gives equation number 7, equation number 8. ASD, angle ASD plus angle SAD plus angle SDA is equal to 180 degree. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now replace SAD and SDA. What is SAD and SDA here? That is x degree and v degree. As it is remaining. So as we know x degree plus v degree in equation 6, we put that is 90 degree, gives 180. After solving it, you get the angle ASD is equal to 90 degree. Now as we know, this is 90 degree, the vertically opposite angle also 90 degree. Angle PSR is equal to angle ASD, vertically opposite angles. So angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. Use equation number 9. And similarly, we can prove that angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. After that, we have to use equation number 7, 8, 9. We can say that in triangle PQRS, angle SRQ is equal to angle SPQ is equal to angle PSR is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree from 7, 8, 9, 10. And therefore we can say that quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle by definition of rectangle. Thank you students. If you understand it, if you like it, then like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends.